Guys, I want to dye my hair and there's nobody here to supervise me, so there's really nobody to say no. So I picked this up. So it is the got2b M67 Blue Mercury. It says it's metallics. Now the trick here is that it does say it's recommended obviously for lighter hair. It says dark brown and it still shows a decent tinge of blue. I do think mine is black, but I do have pieces of, I think, brown. I think some of it has faded and I do have some dark brown in there. So I'm obviously not expecting it to be blue, but I would like a little blue. You know what I'm saying? I think that makes sense. Makes sense to me. Anyway, it looks gorgeous. So let's take a peek at this. Okay, because I've never used one of these. Oh, look at this is where the gloves are, huh? Okay, after color treatment. Okay, and we're gonna read these directions because this is not my typical, you know, Garnier, so we wanna see exactly how this is gonna work. On dry, unwashed hair. Okay, 30 minutes. All right, I'm good. I got this. Okay, so it's 30 minutes, conditioner for 2 minutes, and that's it. Okay, we can do this. This is child's play, friends. We can handle this. Oh, look, it has a nice screw top. I can appreciate that, as opposed to the ones that I end up biting off, and that's definitely not sanitary, for the record. Okay, so cream color. Ooh, it comes out like a mustard color. That is weird. It's very weird. So my only big fear with blue, because I love blue, is I don't care for green in my hair. Even though green is actually my favorite color. It's not my favorite hair color because it's it's one of the ones that I that I sometimes end up with unintentionally. So I have like a negative association with green. Just never intentionally gone green because it just happens by accident, and my feelings are hurt when it happens by accident because I'm like disappointed that I didn't know that was gonna happen. Okay, now that I'm mixing, I can see it is like darkening. Okay, so let me open up. Maybe these gloves will be decent because they're in this cute little package. So I picked this up at CVS. I'll try to see if there's a cheaper place and I'll link it below if I can't find it anywhere else. Nope, they're pretty regular. These are not nicer gloves. And I'm wearing a Villanova shirt, but it's not my usual one because this one is navy, friends. It's a navy color, which is like the color of the dye. So theoretically, that's okay, according to me. All right, let's begin. Ooh. Okay, so far coming out actually that my application process is reasonably haphazard, but it works for me because I don't have all that much hair. Which is not all that shocking considering how often I dye it. Okay. So in the description box below, I will also keep you informed on how this wears and washes, because like I said, I'm always concerned. It actually doesn't smell bad. I'm always concerned that I'm going to end up with a green color or that it's going to fade into something that's not all that nice. I know that technically my hair is like dark brown / black, but you'd be surprised. Doesn't stop it from fading into an unattractive color. Okay, so I'm gonna do my usual check the back and make sure it's, you know, I've got good coverage back there, and then wipe off any that got on my ears, neck, forehead area. I'll be right back. So I cleaned off the spots that turned blue because obviously it is very blue now. Like we are legit blue. So I wiped off all those spots, checked the back, looks decent. Half an hour on the clock. I will see you when we rinse. All right, guys, so here is our finished product. So we've got a black with a tinge of blue, which I did suspect would be the case given my hair is mostly black and not really dark brown, so I know that it was kind of a risk. My scalp, however, pretty purplish blue, I would say, so that's cute. But anyways, my hair feels good, like it feels healthy. The conditioner was really nice. I left it in for the 2 minutes and then rinsed it out and just styled it as usual. So I do think my hair is like smooth and soft, feel or look damaged. It feels good. So I'll definitely show a before and after, but it's so hard and I understand, but when you have very dark hair and you don't want to bleach it, color options are really limited. Even when they say that they're meant for darker hair, it's still, you know, this is just a little too dark, and obviously pre-dyed, but I do think it still came out looking nice. Like I feel like it evened out my color and it just looks like black with a hint of blue. I think it looks pretty, I think it looks nice, so I'm happy. I think it's cute. I would have liked more blue, but my hair should have been lighter if I wanted more blue. So that's definitely what I would recommend. But I do think it's really nice. So I will let you guys know in the description box how it wears. Again, my hair is very dark, so you know, it's pretty much black. So as far as fading, I don't think I'm gonna get a greenish tinge. I think it's probably just gonna fade into whatever my color was before. But I will definitely let you know below how it is in like a week or two, just so that you have an idea of how it might fade for you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have any recommendations for hair dyes for dark hair to give me some blue or some purple or something, please let me know, because that would be awesome. Thank you guys so much. Bye.